Your construction smells of corruption. I manipulate to recreate. Now saga, gotta launder my karma.
I said hallelujah to the 16th loyal fins. You're getting down on your knees, and it's time for you sickness again. Come on and tell me what you need now. Tell me what is making you bleed. We got 2 more minutes and we're gonna cut to what you need. So on the 6, tell me, one, do you want to live? And on the 7, tell me, is it time for your hands to give? And tell me, is it time to get down on your knees? Tell me, is it time to get down?
I'm blown to the maxim, 2 hemispheres battling. I'm blown to the maxim, 2 hemispheres. Suck it up, suck it up.
Welcome back. I will now introduce you to the concept of momentum. Momentum. And the letter for momentum is, in physics, or at least in mechanics, is the letter P. P for momentum. And I assume that's because the letter M has already been used for mass, which is, I guess, an even more fundamental idea. So P for momentum. So what is momentum? Well, you probably have a general idea of it. I mean, people, if you see a big guy running really fast, they'll say, he has a lot of momentum.
I'm recording. Okay, go.
And if there's a big guy running really fast and a small guy running really fast, most people would say, well, the big guy has more momentum. Without maybe they don't have a quantitative sense of why they're saying that, but they just feel that that must be true. And if we look at the definition of momentum, it'll make sense. The definition of momentum is equal to mass times velocity. So something with, say, a medium mass and a huge velocity is going to have a big momentum. Or something with maybe a medium mass, but or the other way around. I forgot what I just said. So medium mass and big velocity, huge momentum, or the other way around. Huge mass, medium velocity, you'd have maybe the same momentum, but still have a big momentum. Or another way of viewing momentum is how little you would like to be in the way of that object as it passes by. How little would you, how unpleasant would it be to be hit by that object? That's a
I'm recording. Okay, go.
good way of thinking about momentum. So momentum is mass times velocity. And since, well, how does it relate to everything we've been learning so far? So we know that force is equal to mass times acceleration, right? And what's acceleration? Well, acceleration is just change in velocity, right? So we also know that force is equal to mass times change in velocity per unit of time, right? Per change in time.
Stop. With your feet on the air, your head on the ground. Set.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.